Hello, this is 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚒 here. Before the video starts, I will give you guys some TW thingies, warnings, gun shooting, bad grammar, misspellings, background noises, and I think that's it. And this video is 12 or 13 minutes long. Wow! Okay, that's enough for me speaking. Enjoy the video.
Man, this music is very nice. Even the sky looks beautiful outside. Yeah, and thanks for taking me to this lovely place. You don't know how much I like it. Oh, and can I tell you something? Ever since we've been best friends for a while, I always felt a weird feeling. It's not a bad thing or anything. It's just a good feeling. I just wanted to tell you for so long that huh? What was... Wait, that voice... oh no. Oh no, shoot! I forgot Pico always went to this place.
Oh, miss. Where are you?
That's Pico. He's my ex.
Wait, it's been a while since we haven't seen each other for a long time, and I see that you moved on with your new friend.
Well, yeah. What do you want for us? Are you ready to shoot us or something?
No. Look, I see a few posters about you. Almost being popular because your friend 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚒𝚒 goes up to becoming a famous rapper.
Yes? What about it?
Well, how about we do a challenge instead? All alone, two of us, together.
What?
TikTok boyfriend. Is that a yes or no?
No. You can't make me. And I know you're gonna trick me, even her.
Well then, I'm gonna shoot your precious friend, as known as your new girlfriend.
No, don't. Okay, fine. We can do a challenge. Just please don't shoot her.
It's a deal then.
Okay, I can do this. Just cheer me up for me, okay?
Not bad, babe. Not bad at all.
Thanks, I guess. Now can you please leave us alone?
How about no?
Huh? Hey, no. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. It's going to be okay. I can handle Pico myself.
Just leave that brat alone and let's start the second song already.
Hey, don't talk to my friend like that, Pico.
Whatever. Round 2, boyfriend.
Yeah, round 2.
Lost again? Seriously?
Ha! I win again. It means you can finally leave us alone. Forever. Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh no, you two don't. Listen, boyfriend. I tried to be nice. I tried to protect you. And I tried everything to make you happy. But no, you're shaking your boots and backing away from me. You always scared me because I killed those innocent people. And after you have done that and moved on after we broke up, you started to piss me off. And not only for that, we are gonna do one more song and I will win. Besides, this is gonna be difficult for you to win this.
Why is that?
Because my bullies are gonna take you down, so you better judge them, my singing boyfriend.
What? Huh? Gee, thanks for the backup. I can't do it. I can do it. Nothing is stopping me.
Trying to be brave, eh? Alright then, let's dance. What? How? How are you so good? How do you indulge my bullets? That's impossible!
Shut it, Pico. I'd do anything for my best friend. You lost fair and square, and that's the final.
Ugh. Fine. You win. We can still be friends though, especially leaving her alone. But don't come crying to me after she left you.
I'm so sorry about him. He always been like this, and it's really hard for our past relationship. But it turns out that it's toxic. Really? You really mean it? Thank you so much. Now come on, let's get out of here before Pico comes back. I'm afraid he will give us more trouble. Phew, we made it. And I'm so glad you're safe. I don't have to worry, but you could get yourself killed. And I'm afraid it will happen again. If it is, I will protect you, Pico, including the bad guys. I mean it. Me? As a prince? Shut it, it's not like that. Huh? What did I say back there? Yeah. That's, it's, nothing important. Yep, nothing important. Really. Huh? You're inviting me to your house? Wait, really? Oh my gosh! My first invitation. This is amazing. Of course I can go to your house. Oh, wait. I hope your parents doesn't mind, right? Are you really sure? Because some of the parents are not happy to see a boy like me. Alright, I trust you and your parents, and I'm very excited to see your home. I hope there's snacks as well, because I am hungry. You have snacks? Yes! Okay, I hope you don't mind if I follow you to your house. Oh, okay, let's go.